My company is Coriolis Group, which is a machine manufacturing company, equipment manufacturing. We are selling machine and software for composite manufacturing, and especially for fiber placement and filament winding. This is filament winding. This is fiber placement. We made a big switch in 2020, focusing more on digital solutions that we can provide with our machine. That means that now we have a strong department for software development, and we are providing products like helping designers of composite part to better design a composite part. That means that giving them the tools to better understand what will be done in the production, which is not the case today. So you have some conflict sometimes between the designer or engineering and manufacturing. So that's the first part of our development of new products. And we have a wide range of machines, so filament winding, fiber placement, but recently we launched a 3D printing machine that is really innovative because it's a robotic system, very flexible, with three different heads. Two 3D printing head and one fiber placement head. So you can plug and play different heads to make all kind of super complex composite structures. Sustainability for us means new materials that can be launched and has to be qualified before and processed by our machine, like thermoplastic, like biosourced, like or kind of regenerative products. And on the other hand, bringing processes as energy low consumption as possible, that for the process side, because we need a super efficient machine and not energy consuming machine. And on the other hand, concerning the software, which will be the key for net zero emission at the end, because you can really adjust the amount of composite you want to apply. You can make your whole simulation. Instead of running the machine, you can simulate with the software. Everything related to savings will be done through digital. Again, a lot of nationality, so I'm really trying to push for communication about this exhibition, which is just amazing in terms of exportation, in terms of international market. So that's really something specific from JEC. I'm at the back of the Bourget, which is aeronautic exhibition, but this is much more industrial and in real thing with technicians. So a lot of people, a lot of business for us. So very happy with the JEC that's here.